In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in TinyWow website. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly get your image into TinyWow and start using the tools you need. First, open your browser and go to tinywow.com. This is the home page where all the tools live. Give the page a moment to load so everything appears correctly. Before you do anything else, make sure you are logged in. You'll typically find the sign-in area at the top of the page. Being logged in helps the site keep your work organized and ensures you have access to the full experience while you're editing. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to the top navigation bar and hover over the image section. When you hover, you'll see a set of popular image options appear. This is a quick way to jump straight into commonly used tools, and it's handy if you already know exactly what you want to do. If you want to see everything available, look toward the center of the home page and click on Image Tools. This opens a dedicated area that lists all the image-related tools in one place. It's a great way to explore and pick the exact feature that fits your task without hunting around. For today's example, let's choose Crop Image. Cropping is useful when you want to remove unwanted edges, change the composition, or adjust the aspect ratio for social media and presentations. Click into Crop Image and you'll be taken to a simple workspace. Inside this tool, click the option to upload from your PC or mobile device. A file picker will open, allowing you to select the image you want to work with. Choose the file, confirm, and wait a moment while it uploads. Larger images may take a bit longer depending on your connection, so be patient. Once the image loads, you're ready to do what you want to do with it. In the crop tool, that typically means positioning the crop box, choosing a preset ratio if you need one, and adjusting the frame until your subject looks just right. Take a moment to preview your adjustments and make small tweaks for a clean, balanced result. When you're satisfied, follow the on-screen prompts to apply your changes and complete the process. Keep an eye on the image quality and file size as you work, and avoid uploading anything sensitive or personal. That's all there is to it. Go to tinywow.com, make sure you're logged in, hover over image for quick options or click image tools to see everything, pick a tool like crop image, upload from your PC or mobile, and then fine-tune as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy editing your images with TinyWow.